there a Century 21 agent in the house?
Yeah, I'm a Century 21 agent.
Oh, great. We need your help. Now that our youngest is finally out to college, we're ready to sell our house and move to the beach.
You got it.
Yeah.
Stay calm. There's a Century 21 agent in the house. Smarter, bolder, faster.
You okay?
You know, like many great ideas, started with a moment of inspiration.
I was watching a news clip about traumatized young refugees in Mexico. They were playing soccer on dirt with a ball they'd made, like tying trash together with twine.
Tim and I were chatting, and he mentioned this idea for an indestructible soccer ball.